Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show how to play Sweet Dreams on a piano. Let's start with your right hand. Position your hand for C minor, placing your thumb on middle C. The iconic melody kicks off with your third finger on E flat. You'll play a repeating sequence of E flat, C, E flat, F, E flat, and D. Remember, the song is in 4/4 time, and the rhythm of this phrase shifts slightly over 4 repetitions, so pay close attention to those subtle changes. Now, let's move to your left hand, which lays down the harmonic foundation. You'll primarily use 3 chords. Start with a C minor chord, played as C, E flat, and G. Next, switch to an A flat major chord, using A flat, C, and E flat. Finally, play a G major chord, which is G, B, and D. Each of these chords is usually held for 4 full beats, creating a steady, driving rhythm for the song. Bringing both hands together is the next exciting step. First, ensure each hand is comfortable with its part individually. Then, begin by playing the right hand melody over the C minor chord in your left hand. Focus on coordinating the melody, notes precisely with each chord change. It's best to start at a very slow tempo, perhaps counting out loud, and gradually increase your speed. This will help you achieve smooth and accurate transitions throughout the piece. To master Sweet Dreams, here are some helpful practice tips. Divide the song into smaller, manageable sections. This makes learning less daunting. Always use a metronome to build a solid, consistent rhythm. Listening to the original Eurythmics track will help you internalize the song's unique feel and timing. Don't forget to experiment with dynamics to add your own expressive touch. Remember, consistent, short practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, yield the best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.